Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonia. You're watching Eat Through Sonia. These messages are for the sign of Piscean for the month of November, and I will be channeling those messages from Divine. So before that, I would like to thank each one of you who has watched my channel, who has subscribed to my channel, and please do like, share and subscribe for the new ones and the old ones. If you like my videos, please do comment. If you're willing to see more pick a card readings or some sort of typical different readings, please do message me. I would like to make all of them for you as much as I can, and I'm here for all the Pisceans for November. Let's channel the messages and see what's coming up for you, Pisceans. Divine, guide me for Pisceans for the month of November. Some new friendships, some new people entering your life, and you're puzzled and you're happy, surprised that new contacts, maybe some of you new love. Your faith which was gone is suddenly back. You feel that you have something, some importance in the life of someone. You are important to someone. So I think you lost faith that you are important. It is for people, you can pick up your messages, they're just channeling from Divine. So who are feeling like this, I think some new person will make you feel so important. Desirable outcome will be there. So I feel that some people who are looking for some partnership or waiting for some partnership, desirable person, you are going to get that person. Manifestation, whatever you've manifested is going to show up now, is going to serve you, is going to be in your life. All right, let's see that. What's the Divine guiding you more for? We have Two of Cups. That is the soulmate card or twin flame card. A great partnership ahead. So I feel that you were manifesting this person or new person or true love in your life, Piscean, and it's time. You are getting this person, this new attention, this new love is definitely there. And the theme of the reading also goes like Two of Cups. So maybe some of you wanted to start a business also, a creative business with some partner, and that partnership is now done and you are also happy. I feel that movement is strong in your charts. And also I feel Two of Pentacles. So 2 is coming regularly, so maybe a Pentacle is also about funds, also about money. So maybe you were looking for that kind of money to invest, or you were confused between 2 jobs or 2 businesses. So this is going to be clear now. This is going to get manifested now in your life. And it's so good that you find a partner or a great partnership in your business. Let's check what is going to happen with Piscean in the month of November, universe. I think you're going to go on dates. I'm getting it very clearly. Lunch, dinner, happiness. You're moving ahead, definitely. So I think in the recent past you were not moving ahead. You were ending something. Most of you ended the relationship. Most of you ended waiting zone. Most of you moved away from someone. Could be a divorce, could be a separation, and you have moved completely out of it. So emotionally, mentally, practically, you are out of that. That is the first good thing, that you are out of that energy and you're moving towards change. Some of you are looking for remarriage, or maybe the first marriage which is happening, which is decided, the dates are announced and marriage is going to be there. So definitely partnership is very much coming for Pisceans, which is interesting because we have Hierophant as where you're moving. So definitely you're moving towards your marriage, you are moving towards some great partnership, and you're emotionally getting involved with someone. And that is happening because you moved away from someone. Great. Let's see that what happened in the recent past which made you come this far. What happened in the past? Okay, so some of you were just having a very basic relationship, and you were just not even having relationship, you were just having fun, but now you are done with that fun and you want to be serious with someone. You want to move away from your old personality to new personality. Having parties, having fun, you're done with that. You want to be serious. You want to dedicate this life to someone, some cause, some purpose, and that's why your hermit mode is off, and now you are targeting some new agendas in your life, which is good. And that's the reason you moved away from that sort of life. Where you're moving forward now, what is going to happen as a major event in your life in November? Calling it off. You called it off actually. Most of the... Okay, so I think maybe your ex tries to contact you back. They want back that same sort of bond and relationship, and you don't want it. It's King of Swords. You're very clear now that this is me, this is how it's going to be. I don't want to talk, I don't want to fight, I am not interested. And you're very clear, because then you have Four of Cups. So your wish, you were waiting to be emotionally connected with someone, is going to be granted with this cup. And this is going to be amazing. Why? Because you are going to get what you want, what you were manifesting. Super interesting. Also, I see that your past, your ex, if you are a male, that female was really hurtful to you. They used those words which were like very, very hurtful to you, and they are still on. They are still willing to control you by their immature behavior. So I feel that you stand in your truth and you are not allowing them now to control you. They used you emotionally. For some of them, I'm getting this. You were hurt because you didn't know they're that practical. And the Pisces, you're misunderstood. That is also a fact, because you generally show initially that you're very chill, you're very, very detached type, but you're internally very emotional and very much like childlike. So they actually didn't give you what you actually wanted out of them. Some of you actually thought marriage with them, which just didn't happen, didn't work, and that's why you're moving away. You're not getting anything concrete out of them, and there were fights, there were disagreements, and you were not happy with that sort of relationship, and now you're moving ahead. All right, so what's coming up now when you're moving ahead, when you've left them? What scenarios and events are unfolding? A lot of waiting zone was also there for you, I feel. You didn't find anything great which you wanted, and now you are finding somebody. You're going on talking, communicating, chatting with someone, because it's a Sun card with this card, and very, very clear that it is going to make you feel, this Page of Pentacles is going to make you feel that you just feel so connected with this person. Suddenly you feel that if this person has that soulmate, that twin flame energy there, you're so connected with them, and they give you some strength. They give you new hopes in your life. The way they talk, the way they are, they're very bright, they're very supportive, because I have strength and I have strength and I have Queen of Wands. So very, very clear that this person who's coming in your life, you're talking to, this new person is very hopeful, very bright, positive, and they are showing you the right and the positive part of your life, part of this relationship too. So I feel this communication is giving you strength, making you happy, and you're feeling that things can be changed, and that's why you've got that strength to show your right side to the person you were with, and you have told them that I'm moving forward, which is great. You have to tell your truth someday, why not today? Okay, so once you're moving ahead, this person is supporting you, and you leave that person. What happens to that old person which you're leaving? I think that old person is going to really give you a tough time. Yeah, they are immature for sure. They don't know what they say. They don't know how they want to say those things to you, but they say. And I feel that once you show them your true colors, that no, I'm not interested in you anymore, I want to move forward. You're not telling them that you have somebody else, but they are kind of suspecting it. Right now, they will be going into a hermit mode, the hangman mode, which is going to be shocking, which is going to be like, oh God, I am not losing this person, how this person is moving away from me. But as I told you, that they are immature and they do mistakes. So it's going to be Seven of Swords. So beware of this person. If you share something with this person about the new one, beware, because I think they are aware of some of your secrets which we generally tell to our partners. So I think they're going to open up with this new person, or they're going to play games with you, frankly. They're going to show emotions. Maybe they were not even emotional that when you were together. Now they are going to show emotions, they are going to play smart, and they're going to try to get you back. So you have to be very, very clear and very, cautious of them, because they're going to play games with you. Why they have to play games with you when there was a time they could have done that normally? But that's the game altogether for them. Let's check that once they are going to play games and you have some other person, what steps you're going to take. Are you going to go back to that person, or you're very clear that you will move forward? Which I feel you are, because you have waited a lot for them. So I feel I have to give you a very strong warning here, Bison. The old person, the ex, I wouldn't say, because you were in the relationship with this person, will have a clarity. Maybe they took you for granted. They behaved immaturely, they took you for granted, but when you showed them that no, I'm going away, they cannot handle that. They cannot. What they want, what you both want, was this 10 of cups, but this 2 of swords situation, either they were in or you were in, that you couldn't see the truth of this relationship, is going to go when it's 10 of swords. So you're going to go back to them. So it is for people who are resonating with this kind of reading. You're going to go back to this person. I think they're going to either harm themselves or show you the love actually they do with you. It is very, very different to what is coming, because the next is you're going to move forward to the new person is the Tower and 10 of swords, which is a worst combination in tarot, I feel. So your new charm or new person, I think they will not allow this person anyhow in your life. They are very clear that they want you, and you are still too much attached with them. Some of you have children with them, some of you are married with them, and you won't be able to manifest this new partnership. You will go back to them, but this time they will be showing you the love they actually have for you. If you go back to these people, your relationship, your ex, will this give you the happiness you were looking for? Sometimes they take granted and then they are back and they are happy. It is going to be a constructive relationship. They are going to show a lot of emotions. They are going to manifest you for sure, and it's going to be 3 of Pentacles. You will be concentrated more towards how to make this this life more monetarily sound, or maybe you're going to work, you're going to defocus from what happened and want to be focused in your life, because I think they are your real soulmates, but then they behave nasty with you for a while and they will be back to you. And you are also looking okay, so that means you were still attached with them, but you just thought that you moved on. And that new person, what happens to that new person when you actually don't go to them? They are also, I think, going to fight. They are going to really feel that you ditched them. 3 of Swords, which is so disheartening. So they really had great expectations from you that you're going to take this relationship forward. You're going to leave that person for them. But it's 3 of Swords. I think you will just want to move back to that person, and they are going to be blunt with you. They are going to be really angry with you. They will stand in their truth. And I feel that this is something which you never wanted, but it's going to happen with you. So be very careful. If you want to really move on to this new person, you have to be very clear. You can't fool the new person, or you can't keep those emotions for the past, which generally happens with us. So be very clear. Okay, so I feel that your confusion, it's 2 of Pentacles, is that confused state which was coming. Confused between 2 people. Where to go, and maximum of you going back to the same person. Anything else which is coming majorly for Pisces in the month of November? I think your entire situation is going to turn around because people who are married, you will just get to know that your spouse is conceiving, is pregnant, and this information is going to just be like a blowing your mind, and you will be rushing back to them without even thinking about this new relationship. You will suddenly get possessive of them. You will suddenly get passionate for them, because it's about family now. It's about your and her family, or the way you want to take the energies too. And the Empress card also tells me that you are going to see that happiness in them after a while. So I think it was a bad phase of your relationship which made you turn towards this new person, but then you got confused and this person pulled you back because they are equally possessive of you. They are equally involved and passionate for you. So I think about moving towards a new person, because shifts are coming and they are major shifts. And one more thing is coming, that one of you, I think your partner, because the energy is such, they are very possessive of you. So they won't let you go. In fact, they will do something, they will think something, they will tell something like that, you will be back to them. So if somebody is possessive of you, they were not showing that love to you. So maybe this kind of clarity will come up and you will be like, maybe I was wrong. I thought you never loved me. But that clarity will be there. Also, I feel that you will be surprised with their attitude, their change, the changes they're going to bring, so that you come back to them. What is the divine message for Piscean? What is the guidance for Piscean? Okay, don't stand in between the situation. So yes, you are struggling. You are opposing the situations which your partner kept in front of you, and you are meditating and taking a break from whatever has happened, because maybe some of you were involved with the new person very heavily and you felt that pull and you felt finally to take that step, and now this news really shakes you up that you're going back to this person. So this entire situation has made you feel like, opposing your own self sometimes, because we have the Lovers card in the center. So you wanted this union with someone for sure, but you didn't know that it's going to turn out like this. A lot of opposition from your own thoughts. So you are going to be literally taking a break for yourself, and you should, because this situation is really tough, where something else was looking like coming and something else happened. So it is a very tricky situation, I think, happening with some of you. Please do comment if this is going on with you. I would like to know that this is with this person, and what happens exactly, what your partner does, so that you go back to them, or what is going on in your mind for them. Also, I would like to pick up cards that if you stick to them and this new person feels betrayed, and you take your time later, I mean like towards the end of November or starting of December, what energy will come up? Because I think this is ongoing energy. You felt like that from your existing partner from maybe 3 to 4 months, or maybe more than that. Yeah, because if this all happens what I said, it's going to be like you will give them that chance back. It is 6 of Pentacles. You're going to go back to the same person. You will open that road again. You will move on from the new person, because you know that whatever happened. I want to stick around to my relationship, and I want to make it happen and make it work. So that kind of situation. So it's basically you're going to move on, going back to that person, leaving the new one, because you want to open that road and you want to balance out again. Maybe some of your mistakes also your current partner points out, where you feel that maybe because of this has happened, and I need to correct myself also. And maybe money is going to show up a lot. So you both, maybe the money was the reason of your fight. So now you have a lot of money coming in, because it's Ace of Pentacles, which is like a gate opening for new opportunities. So possibly your fights go away and you have that kind of money to enjoy with each other. Could be a situation for one or two. So you're going to move forward. You will not stick. And that's what Divine wants to say, that don't stick somewhere, just move. The energy should be moving. Alright, so I feel that this particular reading was absolutely towards your only movement and situational movement and confusions, and you have to really think about taking decisions, Pisceans, because your emotions are going to get hurt, or maybe the other person will be hurt and the blame game will be on, and you should not get stuck into this. You should be clear what you're doing. Talk to your person, talk to the new person, and maybe this could be sorted out in a most peaceful way. If you like my reading, please do share, like, subscribe, and also do come back in December for new reading for you, and let's check out in December what's going to happen with you. Till then, take care. Bye.